with me.
I raised my eyebrows when I heard the news. My forehead got hot in the summer too. My cheeks turn red when I run outside, and food falls down my chin sometimes. My pecs get strong when I go to the gym. I hurt my ribs in a football game. I bent my elbow to open the door, and wore a watch on my wrist once more. Thumbs up high, let's move around. Learn new words with every sound. From my eyebrows to my heel, every body part is real. Move your ankle, touch your chin, point to where your cheeks have been. Waist and hips and bottom too. These are words for me and you. Thighs and calves from head to toe. Learning English as we go. My thumb is wide beside my hand. My waist is where my trousers stand. My hips move left, my hips move right. I dance to music every night. I slipped and hurt my bottom back. The chair was wet, it made me sad. My thighs feel tight after a race. My calves get sore at a fast pace. Touch your forehead, touch your nose. Stand on tip